Hi, I'm Pip from queenpipcards.com and the Card Making Know-How Academy. Have you ever used vellum in your card making? It is a beautiful semi-transparent paper that adds a touch of elegance but can be tricky to work with. So in today's Crafty Corner episode, I'm going to be sharing with you my top tips on using vellum without so much fuss. Vellum is great for softening backgrounds, for adding layering, and adding a touch of a luxury feel to it. I don't know what it is, but something about that opaqueness, especially if it's coloured, it can just add just a bit of va-va-voom to your cards. But here's how to use it without the common struggles. So the first one is adhesive. This is a real big thing. How do I get my vellum to stick without the glue showing through? Because it's see-through or opaque, you can see it sometimes when you add glue to the back. So I recommend using glue dots that are going to be behind an embellishment that you're going to put in front or behind a label that you're going to put on the front. So hiding the glue dots behind the embellishments or labels, that's really handy. The second thing you can try is a spray or a spray glue. You can also use glue sheets. They're great. So cover the entire sheet with glue and then you don't have any different colours when you have the glue showing at the front. Yep, that does take away some of its opaque qualities though. So just try something different. Try different ones and see how it works for you. The next thing I recommend is emboss or print onto it. So you can use heat embossing or stamping with a permanent ink onto vellum, and that can create some beautiful, delicate designs. Okay, so don't just leave your vellum plain. Embellish it by embossing it or stamping on it. And the next thing is layer for softness. Okay, which sounds a bit weird, but placing vellum over patterned paper tones down any busy background. So if you have a really busy print for your background paper and you just think, oh, it's a bit loud, just add a layer of vellum and it will tone that down. And it keeps the design interesting while still having that beautiful background paper behind it, but it just softens it slightly. So it's a simple way to add elegance, and once you master it, you will use it all the time. I hope that you've enjoyed this quick tip Crafty Corner episode. If you have, subscribe and come back next week. And if you want to see some more step-by-step techniques in how to actually work with vellum, then why not join the Card Making Know-How Academy here at cardmakingknowhow.com. I break it all down for you. We have an entire masterclass based on vellum. So I would love to see you over there. But in the meantime, happy crafting with your vellum, and I will see you again soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.